Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 3200 Latte Go and the Breville Oracle Touch, both renewed espresso machines, right?
Yep, exactly. Both super automatic, but let's dig into the details. The Philips is much lighter, only about 21 pounds, while the Breville is a hefty 37 pounds.
Wow, that's a big difference. The Philips is also smaller, dimension-wise. Easier to fit on the counter, maybe?
Probably. The Breville is definitely taking up more real estate, but the Breville has a touchscreen, which is pretty fancy. It even lets you save personalized coffee settings.
Oh, that is cool. The Philips, doesn't have that, but it does have a 12-step grinder adjustment, so you can really dial in your grind.
The Breville has a conical burr grinder too, and automatically grinds, doses, and tamps, which sounds super convenient. Plus, it uses 22 grams of coffee, which is supposed to give you maximum flavor.
Interesting. The Philips uses the Lattego system for milk frothing, which they claim makes it silky smooth.
The Breville has an automatic microfoam milk texturing system with a self-cleaning steam wand. Barista-quality microfoam, they say. Sounds impressive and pretty easy to use.
Sounds it. What about water?
Breville's got a bigger water tank, 67 ounces, compared to, well, the Philips doesn't say, but it's likely smaller.
Okay, so the Breville seems more high-end and complex. But what about reliability? I see the Philips has way more reviews and a decent rating.
Good point. The Philips has a 4.1 rating with 55 reviews, while the Breville only has 2 reviews and a 2.5 rating. That's a red flag, even though it's renewed.
Yeah, and currently unavailable as well. The Philips is actually in stock. Plus, people say the Philips is easy to use and clean.
So even though the Breville has all those fancy features and automatic tamping, the Philips might be the safer bet, especially considering it's renewed.
Exactly. It's lighter, more compact, available, and has better reviews. Sometimes simple is better, right?
Definitely seems that way in this case.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.